Hi dear friends, welcome back to the tutorial lab, and today in this video I'm going to show you how to use Vanish mode in your Messenger application. Vanish mode is a fantastic feature for Facebook users because through Vanish mode you can get 3 benefits, so let me tell you what's the benefit of Messenger Vanish mode. We see the first benefit, messages disappear. You can see use Vanish mode for a conversation that doesn't need to stick around. The second one sees screenshot notification. If someone takes your messages screenshot or records the screen that team, you will get a notification that he or she tries to take a screenshot of your messages. And the third one is we can report the conversation. If someone reports a charge, this requiring message will include up to 1 hour after the disappearance, so there are lots of features available for you, especially seeing messages disappear and see screenshot notification. Okay, so this is an awesome feature. So let me show you how can you use that option on your Messenger. So for that, you will need to go to the Play Store first. And after that just update your Messenger application. Open Facebook Messenger and follow the steps. That was our today's video. If you want to more about Facebook Messenger, then please leave a comment. You are inspiring us and we love to make videos like this. If you enjoy the video and know something new about Facebook Messenger Vanish mode, don't forget to inform us in the comment, give a like and subscribe if you don't subscribe yet. Thanks for watching the video. Have a good day.